Tonight, a Central Texas family suggests you take a closer look at your car insurance policy and how well it protects you.
Savannah Crane was thrown from a car in a head-on crash last summer on Texas Highway 71 near Horseshoe Bay. Word of warning, we're going to show you her injuries because it helps convey the severity of the wreck.
KXAN's Eugene Cho caught up with her family today for their message to all drivers.
It's a routine that's become all too familiar.
How you doing?
I think I'm still seeing like 4 or 5 different doctors. I'm seeing the dentist for my teeth. I have to see a neurologist for my head.
All these checkups and progress for Savannah Crane come with a price tag.
There's stacks of, we have stacks of bills that are due that will either paid now or we'll have to pay over time.
Savannah and her parents told us the driver who came crashing into the car that Savannah was riding in was driving without insurance.
Making this road to recovery, they told us, even more complicated. Savannah's medical bills added up to about $500,000.
It's one thing to have a fender bender, but if you have a catastrophic event like a head-on collision, there's no way there's enough insurance to cover a loss.
The Cranes said they have health insurance and uninsured motorist coverage, but that wasn't enough. They still owe
probably $60,000 or $70,000.
The Crane family hopes all drivers will take steps to protect themselves and others on the road.
The uninsured motorist is something you just, you think of, get the minimum, but definitely at this point we've changed. We've doubled our uninsured motorist coverage.
Eugene Cho, KXAN News.
Well, the driver in this accident is scheduled to be in court next month. She is charged with driving with an invalid license. That's a misdemeanor. Llano County officials telling us she was also cited for failure to drive in a single marked lane, failure to control speed, and failure to maintain financial responsibility. She still owes fines for those charges. Meanwhile, as Savannah recovers, she's studying to be a doctor.
What impacted me so much was the people that interacted with me and they helped me recover. And being a pre-med, I know that one day I'm going to be able to do that for other people.
In Texas, the law only requires you to buy liability insurance to pay to repair or replace the other driver's car and pay for other people's medical expenses when you're at fault. In Texas, the minimum is 30, 60, 25, 30,000 for each injured person, up to a total of 60,000 per accident and 25,000 for property damage per accident. Those minimums were set years ago when cars and health care costs were much less. And the minimum does not include your car or injuries, and if the person who hit you doesn't have insurance or only the minimum, it may not be enough. That's where uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage comes in. It makes up the difference up to a predetermined dollar amount. Other common but not required insurance includes collision coverage, covers damage to your car. Medical payments coverage pays medical and funeral bills for you and people in your car, no matter who caused the crash. And PIP, or personal injury protection, that is similar to medical payments, plus 80% of lost income and the cost of hiring a caregiver.